is not saving enough money. I know this is not a young artist or beginner mistake, but I think it's a classic beginner mistake. A lot of you who are watching this video want to make a lot of, not a lot of money out of your art, and you want to make a living out of your art. One of the things that you can actually do is save money. I didn't do that. I didn't save money when I was making money. I didn't save at all for like so many years, and I only started saving after I started earning a bit more. And here's the thing, the common thing which I get, or the common idea I told myself is this: oh, I don't make a lot of money, therefore I cannot save. It just goes for all my expenses. That is not exactly true. Trust me, a lot of us spend some money on a bunch of things that we can cut back on, so that it actually acts as a leverage for us to use in the future. Because you know, you can skip that little meal right there to save a couple of bucks right here and just put it in a bank account. Now here's the thing, I'm not the guy who says just so get rid of your coffee and get rid of your cakes and get rid of this and save money, blah blah blah. No, just a bit of savings. Trust me, you can just take like 5%, 2% of your savings and just put it somewhere. You know, when I was working in an ad agency, I was earning 20,000 rupees per month, and that is how much? It's like 200 bucks? No, 250 bucks a month. 250 US dollars. Yeah. Well, good old times, right? So I live in India, therefore that's how the pays are right here. And I was making that much a month. I could have taken 20 bucks a month, $29, or 20 bucks, 10 bucks a month, could have put a recurring deposit in my bank account. I didn't do that. And over the span of a year, I would have earned at least 10% of my income. I would have saved 10% of my income. It would have helped me during times of stress and need. I didn't do that. That was stupid. So I save a lot these days. I save things aggressively, and I've automated my savings. Meaning I don't even have to manually go and do it. A bunch of my money will just be taken out of my bank account and goes into a recurring deposit. I don't know what they do in like other countries. You can just find some sort of an automatic saving thing. But trust me, if you're young, if you're earning even 1,000 bucks, 1,000 rupees, save 100. If you're earning $200 a month, save $5 a month. Trust me, if you do it for like 12 months, that's like what? $60. That is like 1/4 of your income, current income, being saved, and it is right there as an emergency fund for you to use. So save.